Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Millner Haufen Tool. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a tool company that sells tools. So as you can see, there's grinders or tools or nails and series nibbler and cutting and grinding wheels. So as you can see, it is very expensive. As you can see, up to $1,000, $200, $400, and $200 and a lot more. So before we get into the details of it, I get hundreds of requests to check out products daily, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created this guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here, guys, the reviews right here are very fake, as you can see. If you made the website, you can put this in. They didn't even try to make it legit. They just put the star emoji, 5-star emojis, and just put random names here, and they just made up these reviews. So actually, there's a review here on Reddit which I saw. Anyone tried Millner Haufen drill bits and grinding wheels? So this person said, I have a few of them, honestly pretty disappointed. The first one I got, the grinding media, came off the first time I used it. The warranty worked, and they sent me out a new one and told me it was manufactured. The new one had just held up just fine. With that being said, they cut like molasses, super slow to cut, and pretty much anything. And this is what a lot of people are saying. Got one and couldn't tip, bit crumbled within a day. Didn't even bother with the warranty as you're still on the hook for SNH. Did you ever buy one? Blah, 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 blah. So please do not buy this product, guys. It is very expensive, and from these reviews right here alone, it doesn't seem pretty good. So they don't justify the price. And that is it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.